What if I told you, the number one telescope on this list lets you see Saturn's rings for under $150? Face screaming in fear today, we're revealing the top 3 best beginner telescopes of 2025, and trust me, some of these will make you feel like a NASA astronomer without breaking the bank. Stick around because number 2 might just be the perfect starter scope. Oh, and all purchase links? Check the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. ZWO Seestar S50 Smart. Highly integrated all-in-one smart telescope. Seestar is a compact body that integrates a telescope, electrical focuser, astronomical camera, ASIR, altazimuth mount and dew heater, all weighing only 2.5 kilograms. Sparkles clean and low-noise images. The professional-grade triplet apochromatic optics provide crisp images of the night sky while maintaining excellent control of chromatic aberration. The included high-quality coating on the lens helps reduce light loss and enables you to get the most out of your visual observation. Sparkle's full automatic find and track with your phone. You can easily get access to tonight's best, target go-to, live star database view and other functions. Auto voice broadcast will tell you the current imaging progress. Sparkle's powerful features with Seestar app EQ mode, plan mode and mosaic mode. EQ mode uses an equatorial mount setup, which is a more accurate way of tracking objects in the night sky compared to the standard Alt-AZ mode. The plan mode enables you to select multiple targets you wish to capture, set up the necessary parameters for each, and schedule when to shoot them. The mosaic mode can automatically stitch 2 images together from adjacent patches of the night sky. This allows you to get larger fields of view than normally possible, like a panorama photo can. Sparkle's built-in Bluetooth/Wi-Fi dual mode reliable connection. Wirelessly connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Seamlessly connect wirelessly through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Number 2. Celestron AstroMaster 102AZ Telescope. The AstroMaster 102AZ is the perfect entry-level telescope for adults and kids eager to explore the night sky. You get bright, clear views and simple, intuitive operation. High-quality 102mm optics. Enjoy crisp, detailed views through the fully coated 102mm, 4-inch, short tube refractor, offering a wide field of view ideal for scanning star fields, bright star clusters, and even terrestrial landmarks. Versatile day and night use, designed for both astronomical and land-based viewing, the AstroMaster 70AZ lets you explore the stars at night and enjoy daytime views of wildlife or distant landmarks. Easy to use altazimuth mount, smoothly navigate the sky with a manual altazimuth mount and easy-to-use panhandle, which lets you point the telescope up, down, and side to side with precision. Quick setup. With just a few key parts to assemble, you can go from box to backyard in minutes, no tools required. The sturdy, adjustable tripod provides stable, comfortable viewing tailored to your height, whether you're standing or seated. Essential accessories included, comes with 2 eyepieces, 20mm and 10mm, an erect image star diagonal, and a star pointer red dot finder scope. You'll also receive a free download of one of the top-rated astronomy software programs to learn more. Unbeatable warranty and support. Buy with confidence from Celestron, a leading telescope brand in California since 1960. Your purchase includes a 2-year U.S. warranty and unlimited support from our team of U.S.-based experts. Number 3. Celestron NexStar 8 SE Computerized. The NexStar 8 SE pairs Celestron's legendary orange tube with a fully computerized go-to system, ideal for those ready to step up from manual scopes and explore more of the night sky with precision and ease. 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain optics. The large 8-inch aperture gathers enough light to reveal fine lunar details, cloud bands on Jupiter, and deep sky objects like galaxies and globular clusters, all in a compact, portable form factor. Fully automated go-to-mount with NexStar Plus hand control. Use the NexStar Plus hand control to select from a 40,000 plus object database. The computerized mount then automatically slews to your target and tracks it, no star charts or manual alignment needed. Fast and easy alignment with Skyline technology. Skyline gets you observing fast. Just send her any 3 bright stars or planets, even if you don't know their names. The system then calculates your position and aligns the mount in minutes. Compatible with Celestron accessories, easily upgrade your setup with all our latest accessories to enhance automation, wireless control, or location accuracy as your skills grow. Unbeatable warranty and customer support, buy with confidence from the Telescope brand, based in California since 1960. You'll also receive a 2-year warranty and unlimited access to technical support from our team of US-based experts. So, which telescope are you getting? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you find your perfect scope, do me a huge favor, smash that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe for more astronomy guides. Because next week, we're revealing something even bigger. Stay tuned.